We were just walking. Did you get it?
Yeah.
An albino chipmunk.
Is that not cool?
You get freaked out.
It doesn't seem to mind too much.
It's white.
Don't forget to take a picture of any other ones that come out. I don't know where they are.
Uh-oh, look at it. Look at that little chipmunk. It's standing perfectly still. It
Yeah,
moved.
maybe don't focus in on that sign, okay? I'll just go to court and tell the judge, here,
Yeah,
you can have the
cops
sign,
also
it's
leave.
not mine. It just ended up in my yard.
Hey, albino chipmunk.
I can't get over
Look at the
that.
tails.
I'm
You
pretty
guys
sure
don't have
that's
tails.
a chipmunk. I can't explain
It is. That's how they clean themselves. That's how they walk.
Squirrel,
Oh, look at it. It's doing the squirrel thing.
they're half squirrels.
Cleaning
Oh, yeah.
himself.
They clean themselves
But it
out.
doesn't have
Scratching its
The
nut.
tail, it's a tail. The genetics,
Yeah.
you know,
Okay. Yeah.
reborn
Talk about
out.
you
It just
some other
happened
time.
one chipmunk didn't get that color genetics, and there's, you know,
Yeah. Just came along in the
whatever.
genes. and-
Exactly. Yeah.
Maybe there's a family of albino chipmunks.
Maybe.
A lot of parts to our genetics.